today's world, everything is connected. From the way we communicate to how we learn, work, and even live. Information and communication technology is the backbone of the modern society. In today's fast-paced world, we are constantly surrounded by multimedia.
Multimedia is the combination of various content forms such as text, images, video, audio, and animation, all working together to create more engaging, interactive, and informative experiences. By merging different media formats, multimedia helps convey complex ideas in a more engaging and easily understandable way. In education, multimedia is transforming the way we teach and learn. In business, multimedia has become the key to driving innovation and success. In social change, multimedia has proven to be a powerful force for good. In health, multimedia educates and informs people about critical issues. Multimedia is not just a tool, it is a movement. A movement that changing the way we communicate, learn, and create. It's shaping the future, one image, one sound, and one story at a time.
ICT encompasses technology used to handle telecommunication, broadcast media, audiovisual processing, intelligent building management system, and more. ICT covers everything from computers and internet to mobile devices, software, and hardware. It's the backbone of our connected world, allowing information to be shared rapidly and easily across global networks. With the power of ICT, we can access vast amount of information, communicate instantly with others around the world, solve problems in innovative ways. Communication is key, and ICT connects people across the globe, from social media to instant messaging. We can stay in touch with our loved ones and collaborate with others.
Multimedia and ICT advocacy is about harnessing technology to improve lives across various sectors. By advocating for better access to digital tools and content, organizations and individuals aim to enhance education, healthcare economic opportunities, and social inclusion. Together, we can break down these barriers, make technology accessible to everyone, and ensure that ICT is used for the greater good. Because when we unlock the full potential of ICT, we unlock the future. And let's use multimedia to inspire change, to inform, to connect, and to build a better tomorrow.